Hello Homo sapiens, in front of us we have May 2023 Paper 2 Timezone 2 question number 2. You may pause the video and then try it first before we discuss it together. Okay, this question we have Dinah makes a pendulum and then want to sell it in the market. And then she plans to make 10 pendulum in the first day, and then each subsequent day she make 6 more. So it means, wait, I will make this a little bit smaller so we can have a place for us to write. Okay, too big, smaller. There we go. That should be enough. Okay, so for question A, U1 or the first term, this is arithmetic series, yeah. U1, the first term she make 10, and then each subsequent day, it means the difference is 6. A, calculate the number of pendulums she would make on the 12th day. So UN is equals with U1 plus N minus 1 times the difference. That's very okay. So let's just input it. UN is N is 6, so 12th day, so U12 is U1 is 10 plus N is 6. Why I keep saying 6? 12 minus 1 times the difference is 6. There you go. So U12 is equals with, let's input it to our calculator. Okay, we will have, okay, 10 plus 12 minus 1 is 11 times 6. We'll end up with 76. There you go. That's question A. Question B. Calculate the total number of pendulum she would have available at the market. She plans to make pendulum of total 15 days. So in this case, N equals to 15. So we want to make the total is Sn. So the formula of Sn is equals with N divided by 2, U times U2 times U1 plus N minus 1 times the difference. Okay, you can find this formula in your formula booklet. So you do not need to remember this formula, yeah. Just understand the concept. That's way important. So S15 is equals with, the N is 15. 15 divided by 2. 2 times U1. U1 is 10. 2 times 10 plus N minus 1. N is once again 15 minus 1 times the difference is 6. So it's equals with, let's input it to our trusty calculator. So we have 15 divided by 2 times 2 times 10 is 20. I'll just make it 20 directly, plus 15 minus 1 is 14 times 6. Close bracket, enter. We have 780. S15 is equal with 780. That's question B. Question C. Dinah would like to have at least 1,000, and then she still plans to make 10 on the first, but if its subsequent day she will make X more than the day before. So basically, rather than 6, she will make X more. Okay, given that she will still make pendulum for total 15 days, so N is still 15. Calculate the minimum integer value of X required. So for question C, I will use green. Question C, U1 still 10. I'll write what we know, and then the N is 15 because we have 15 days. Sn, the total, we need to have 1,000, and then the difference is x. We don't know what is the difference. Okay, let's input it to this formula, the same formula. So Sn is equals to 1000. We need one more zero. So 1000 is equals with n divided by 2. The n is 15 divided by 2. Okay, 2 times u1, 2 times 10 plus 15 minus 1, 15 minus 1, 15 minus 1 times the difference is x. Okay, now this has become algebraic manipulation. Yeah, actually you can use this one, math. You go to math and then you can use solver. You can just calculate it as algebraically. So e1 is the left side, which is 1000. I don't like this way, but why not? For exam situation, we would like to have the fastest way possible. So we have 15 divided by 2. 15 divided by 2. Okay, this one we have 2 times 10 is 20 plus 14. 15 minus 1, 14, yeah, times x. The x is just x, like that. Close bracket, and then you press OK. The OK is this one, yeah, the graph. Okay, click once again. Oops. What happened? Okay. I'll quit this one. Okay, we make a mistake. Okay. Math. Let's see whether that one still work. Okay, and then press OK. Okay, so we have x equals to 5. There we go, we have the answer. So x is equals to 5. Wait a minute, it's not 5. If it is 5, it should be wrong, right? Yeah, oh sorry, solve, enter. Enter. No, this is not working. Second, sorry. Alpha solve. Let's say alpha solve. Okay, there you go. We have 8.09, 8.095238. There you go. We try new way, but we lost, but that's okay. So x is equals with 8.095 blah blah blah. Now let's do this. Let's understand the context on this. So we have to make 8.09 more than the previous day. This is not working out. We have to make it into the nearest possible number. No, not nearest, the integer. Okay, because we cannot make 8.09 more than the day before. So the x, it should be 9. Why 9? Because if it is 8 less than this, we will not reach 1000. Okay, so in order to reach 1000, we have to make 9 more than the previous. Once again, if it is 8, it's not 1000, but so the answer should be 9. Okay, there you go. That's question C. Question D. Sorry for the trial and error, yeah. I rarely use that function in my calculator. So this is the pendulum, and then we swing it, whoop, and then after it's back, we calculate the first u1. So this one u0, whoop, and then it goes here, whoop, u1, then goes here, u2, then goes here, u3, and then the distance is 95% from the previous. And the first swing is 17.1. This is our u1. Now it's become, because this is 95%, now this is geometric sequence. Okay. D. Calculate the distance of the ball traveled during the 5th recorded swing. Okay, so question D. So u1 is equals with 17.1. And then the difference, not the difference, the ratio is 95%. Okay, ratio is equals with 0.95. Okay, 95%, 0.95. And then we are calculating the 5th. So it means u5. u5. So un is equals with u1 times r to the power of n minus 1. So u5 is equals with u1 is 17.1 times r 0.95 to the power of 5 minus 1 or to the power of 4. Let's input it to our calculator. Second, okay, I'll quit first. 17.1 times 0.95 to the power of, I know 5 minus 1 is 4, so to the power of 4. We have 13.928. So u5 is equals with 13.928 blah blah blah, or u5 is approximately 13.9, is that centimeter? Centimeter. Okay, that's question D. Question E, I'll do it here. Calculate the total distance that the ball traveled during the first 16 recorded swing. 16. Okay, we still have the same data, but now we need to make 16 total distance. So Sn is equals with the total, yeah? Sn is equals with u1. I will write the formula first. Once again, you can find the formula in the formula booklet. 1 minus r to the power of n divided by 1 minus r. So S16 is equals with the u1 is 17.1 times 1 minus r is 0.95 to the power of n is 16, divided by 1 minus 0.95. Let's input it to our calculator. What will we have? We have math. Okay, fraction, please. We have 17.1 times 1 minus 0.95 to the power of 16. Okay, close bracket, divided by 1 minus 0.95. You don't have to write 0 in your calculator. It will give you the same answer. We have 191.476. So S16 equals with 191.476 blah blah blah, or S16 is approximately 191 centimeter. Okay, that's question E. Question F, I'll do it here. Okay, calculate the distance that the ball traveled before she started recording. Before started recording, it means this one. Okay, if this is U1, this one will be U0. Okay, so U0, we can use the same formula. U0 is equals with U1 times R to the power of 0 minus 1. Okay, so same formula, UN equals with U1 times R to the power of n minus 1. So it means U0 is equals U1. U1 is 17.1 times the R, 0.95 to the power of 0 minus 1. So U0 is equals with, okay, oops, what happened? Okay, U0 is equals with, sorry, I pressed something. Okay, we have 17.1 times 0.95 to the power of negative 1. Enter. We have 18. Exactly 18 centimeter. Okay, this is for this question. I hope this question, this tutorial helps. Please like it if you like it, dislike it if you dislike it, leave a comment, and thank you. I hope you understand it. Have a good day, everyone.